Hello everyone. Today Hatan will introduce the dish, Linh fish braised with black garlic, a unique variation of the traditional braised fish dish using black garlic, a naturally fermented functional food famous for its sweet, slightly sour taste and especially rich in antioxidants. How to make. Ingredients: 400 g fresh Linh fish, cleaned. 6 single black garlic bulbs. 2 tablespoons of good fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. 1 teaspoon of caramel water. 100 milliliters of fresh coconut water. Steps: wash Linh fish, clean with diluted salt water, drain. Peel black garlic, leave whole. Chop shallot. Wash and lightly score chili. Put the Linh fish in a bowl, add black garlic, fish sauce, sugar, ground pepper, minced shallots and caramel sauce. Mix gently so that the fish does not break. Marinate the fish for about 20 minutes. Put cooking oil in a stainless steel pot, add a little remaining shallots and sauté until fragrant. Put all the marinated Linh fish and black garlic into the pot. Initially, boil the fish over high heat for about 2 minutes until the fish is firm and the spices stick to the fish. Slowly add fresh coconut water until it almost covers the fish. Add the chili peppers. Cover, reduce the heat to low and start braising the fish. Braising the fish for about 40 minutes. When the braising liquid has thickened, the fish and black garlic have a beautiful brown color. Season the spices one last time to taste. Presentation and enjoyment: scoop the Linh fish braised with black garlic onto a deep plate or serve directly in a clay pot. Sprinkle a little ground pepper on top. Linh fish braised with black garlic must be enjoyed hot with white rice. The taste of Linh fish is soft and fatty, imbued with a harmonious sweet and salty taste, especially the sweet and sticky black garlic flavor, melting in the mouth with a deep umami aftertaste. Things to note: Linh fish should be fresh, especially Linh fish in the flood season because the meat is very fatty and delicious. You should choose single black garlic to ensure the best flavor. Black garlic can be peeled and left whole when stewing. Stewing fish over low heat for a long time helps the Linh fish bones to soften and absorb the spices evenly, making the stewed water thick and delicious. Do not stir the fish during the stewing process to avoid breaking the fish. Just shake the pot gently or use a spoon to pour the stewed water on top. You can use fresh coconut water to stew the fish, making the dish naturally sweet and more fragrant. Linh fish braised with black garlic is a unique variation of the traditional braised fish dish, using black garlic, a naturally fermented functional food, famous for its sweet, slightly sour taste and especially rich in antioxidants. Black garlic when stewed with fatty Linh fish, especially during the flood season, will create a deep umami flavor, beautiful color and a nutritious dish, very good for health. Black garlic when stewed with fatty Linh fish, especially during the flood season, will create a deep umami flavor, beautiful color and a nutritious dish, very good for health. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this recipe is useful, and don't forget to subscribe to watch the next delicious dishes. Goodbye and see you in the next video.